ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా,
It was the end of my BSc, and I had to choose my MSc course. What do I do next? And there was this Bangalore University had a very funny tradition. Within 1 week of giving your final BSc results, they will say you have to apply for MSc. And I had a big list. Okay, MSc Maths I can do, MSc Physics I can do, MA English I can do. And Professor Kasturi had told me, you do MA Journalism. I will tell Swami to make you editor in Saath and Saathi. Because he was working in the press, my father was there. So I had got excited. I liked English, so I thought I will do journalism. Big list. But I decided that Swami should choose. So one day, the results had come out. I was standing at a staircase leading to Swami's room. It was a time when there were 1,000 students on the campus. You know, summer course was on. 1,000 students. I was wondering, how do I catch Swami's attention now? How do I ask Swami, please tell me? Swami is going to give discourse, Swami is going to give darshan, Swami is so busy. And among these 1,000 students, I am but a drop. How do I get his attention? When I thought of this, I just shed one tear. Just thinking, feeling very hopeless. Swami, how do I approach you? I just literally shed one tear. Somebody pats me on the back. There was a gentleman by name Raja Reddy. He used to be very close to Swami those days. He pats me and says, there are these boxes of apples. Will you please help me carry it upstairs? So he picked up one carton. I picked up one carton. He started walking. And he went into Swami's dining room. And Swami was sitting there. So I went with this carton, very excited, but totally forgot for what I am excited. For me, it was enough that Swami was sitting there and Dr. Bhagavantam was sitting with Swami at the dining table. I kept the apple box. See, you can't overstay you can't take too much of chances. I had come uninvited, so I slowly was going back. As I was moving back, came to the last step. Without looking at me, Swami said, Ravi, he said. So I ran. Swami asks me, Em chestunavu, he says. So before I could say anything, Swami started telling the entire this thing to Dr. Bhagavantam. This boy came to me wearing knickers, half pants, and look at him. He has got a university rank. And now what are you going to do? He asked me. The question I should have asked him, Swami, what should I do? He is asking me. I said, Swami, I want you to decide. Swami said, I will decide. You don't decide. He said. I said, okay, Swami. And after a few days, Swami gives me interview. And Swami asked me the same question. Nu em chestavu? He said. I said, no, Swami, you only should tell me. Then Swami said, in which subject you got minimum marks? Now, normally when you go to people, they'll say, in which subject you got maximum marks? Very simple for me. I said, Swami, chemistry. Swami said, chemistry chai. So that's how I came into chemistry. And today, if I am an associate professor in chemistry, this is the history. This is how I came into chemistry. Totally, I had in my big list, chemistry did not figure at all. I mean, MA Sanskrit was there, MA English was there, MA Journalism was there, MSc Statistics was there. But somehow chemistry never figured. And Swami made me choose chemistry. But I didn't know at that time that Swami had designed my life, like he designs all our lives. And it's now only when I look back and connect the dots, I can see such a beautiful, meaningful picture.
My